Dear children, good morning. Welcome back to the science class. In the previous class, you have learnt about electricity and electric circuits. Let us have a small recap. What do you understand by looking at these images? Electric circuits. An electric circuit is a closed path in which the electric current flows. Electric circuits are represented by drawn schematic diagrams like the one on the right. In the diagram, symbols are used to represent each part of the circuit. Next one. What do these pictures represent? These are cells and battery. A battery consists of two or more cells that are connected. Next, what does this picture show? The picture shows the switch. A switch is used to start or stop current from flowing in a circuit. Let us do an experiment in order to relate with today's topic. Do you know how much the room temperature is? Look at this thermometer and tell me. 84 degree Fahrenheit. The room temperature is 84 degree Fahrenheit or 28.89 degrees Celsius. Today's room temperature is 84 degree Fahrenheit, which is little warmer than the normal room temperature. The normal room temperature is 68 degree Fahrenheit to 72 degree Fahrenheit. Now, you keep a thermometer near a glowing bulb. Let us see what happens. It is rising. The temperature has gone up to 98 degrees Celsius. Will that be the same as the room temperature? No, definitely not. It has raised to 98 degree Fahrenheit. You will observe that the temperature near the bulb is higher than the room temperature. This is because the passage of current in the filament of the bulb generates heat. Yes, we are going to study about the heating effects of electric current. When electricity is passed through a conducting material, some amount of the electricity is converted into heat energy. The amount of heat produced depends on the current or number of cells, the material of which the wire is made. What are some materials used in electrical wiring? Electrical conductors are made up of metals such as copper, aluminum, etc. These metals are used to make wires. Third one, the time for which the current is passed. The heating effect of current has many practical applications. Lamp, electric fan, television, coffee machine, pressure cooker, microwave oven, mixer, kettle, iron, toaster. These are all some examples of appliances that work based on this effect. These appliances have heating elements that are highly resistant to the flow of electric current. An increased amount of resistance increases the amount of heat energy that is given out. The connecting wires provide a medium to an electrical current so that they can travel from one point on a circuit to another. The connecting wires do not get heated as these wires have low resistance. Let us study about the electric bulb or the incandescent lamp. The electric bulb has a coiled filament that is made of tungsten metal enclosed in a glass bulb containing an inert gas at low pressure. All must look at this picture. This is the electric bulb. It has the coiled filament in it. It is made of tungsten. Tungsten is the kind of metal like silver, aluminium, iron, etc. Tungsten metal is enclosed in a glass bulb containing an inert gas at low pressure. The filament offers high resistance to the flow of current and therefore becomes very hot when current is passed through it. When current flows in the filament, it becomes white hot and gives out light. Tungsten has a very high melting point and does not melt even when white hot. Let us study about an important electrical safety device, that is fuse. Every electric circuit has a maximum amount of electricity that it can carry. Sometimes, due to a short circuit, a great increase of current can occur suddenly in the circuit. The wires then get overheated and the insulation may catch fire. The fire can spread and cause heavy damage to life and property. To prevent this, a fuse is included in every circuit. What is a fuse? The fuse is a safety device used in an electric circuit to prevent a large amount of current from flowing through a circuit. It consists of an alloy that has a low melting point fitted on a surface made of porcelain or glass. When the current in a circuit increases because of some fault, the wire becomes hot and melts, thus breaking the circuit before lasting damage is done. After correcting the fault, the broken fuse wire should be replaced by a proper fuse wire and not by any other kind of wire. What are the precautions to be taken while connecting a fuse wire? When a fuse blows, switch off all appliances in the circuit and pull out their plugs. Get an electrician to locate and repair the fault and then fit the new fuse. Nowadays, fuses are increasingly being replaced by miniature circuit breakers. When the current in a circuit exceeds a certain value, the circuit breaker acts as a switch and opens the circuit. The switch can be flipped back to the on position after removing the overload. Let us revise the topic. How does an electric bulb work? The electric bulb contains tungsten filament in it. When current flows in the filament, it becomes white hot and gives out light. What is a fuse? The fuse is a safety device used in an electric circuit to prevent a large amount of current from flowing through a circuit. Thank you.